This is a manual lever machine, and this one in particular is called the Lavazani. Zacconi is similar. Electra is also similar, some of them. And it has the same sort of portafilter. That this handle thing is called the portafilter, same on this one. And you load it up with coffee just like you do with the semi-automatic. And then when you pull the shot, you lift this lever here. So it's not lifting easily because it's not hot, but you lift this lever and then you slowly push it down, and that pushes the water through the coffee, and that's how you make your shot of espresso. And then you see how much water is in it by looking at the sight glass. And this whole thing gets replaced usually in a tune-up. And then this opens the steam. All these gaskets get replaced. Basically, there's a gasket here, in here, there's 2 in here, there's like 3 in here, there's 1 here, just a bunch. And you steam right here. And then these are the gaskets. So these are most of the parts for this La Pavoni. So for example, these are the 2 piston gaskets that go in here. Lots of parts. So thank you.